If you've got a chip or a ding or nick in your laminate or LVP, I'm gonna show you how to take care of that quickly and for just a few bucks. I just went to the hardware store and picked up some Roberts putty here. This stuff is specifically for wood, laminate, and vinyl. It's a putty that goes on soft but dries hard, and they have all different kinds of colors that you can use. Now I picked up a couple of these, not sure which one would work best, and I found that this darker one works really well. Our floor is kind of a gray-brown, but pick whichever one works best, and you can mix these together a little bit if you'd like. Okay, first thing we need to do is to vacuum this out to make sure there's no debris in there. And once we've done that, we're gonna use a putty knife here appropriately. I've cut the tip off of this so there's just a decent little opening there. We're gonna squeeze some of this in, and we wanna get a little bit extra. It's also helpful to have a paper towel around. Now this stuff, like I mentioned, it goes on pretty soft, it's very pliable, but then when it dries, it's hard as a rock, which is what we want. Now just like anytime you're putting, you kinda wanna overdo it a little bit. And if you've got a really deep gouge or nick in there, it might be helpful to do this in a couple of rounds. Now that I've got that on there and it's pretty smooth, I want to maintain that joint so it doesn't look like it's filled, like that. And then I'm going to scrape off any excess around there. I'll just use a paper towel to kind of clean this up. And this is a dry paper towel, there's no moisture on it. Okay, I'll go over it one last time. And then keep that groove in there. I'm gonna let that sit. There's a tiny bit of a lip in there, so I'm gonna go over it one more time in about a half hour to make sure that that's good. But actually from here, I can barely even see it, so it blends in really well. Now, if you do want to get a little more detailed, you can get some paint kits that will actually allow you to do the little grains in the fake wood pattern there. So that's an option as well. But typically, that's really all you're going to need is just a simple product like this. And I'll put some comparable products that you can get on Amazon in the description below. Hopefully you found that tip helpful. It can be really easy to fix these. Now, if you do have any gaps in your laminate flooring, then I've got a video that you can check out right here on how to take care of those as well. Thanks for watching.